What's up? Got another one here from the Montana brand, and we have a nice cool little bit set here. No rubber edges on it, but yeah, not bad. I like it. It's got a lot of cool little features in here. I'm gonna show you right off the bat. This one is super nice. We have a slim little flip socket here for countersink. I've used this one already, no issues yet. Love it. Locks in and flips over, but check this out. When you got to change the drill bit, we have a Allen right here at the end, so you can change the bit. It comes with extra bits right here, which is nice to have, and then you could change whatever bit you want on this side. Super easy, built into the tool. Nice little practical feature there. Loving that so far. And over here we have a sleeved bit. Haven't got use out of this one yet, but it is rather slim. Look how slim that is right there. Not bad. It has like a little detent right here. It holds your screw to have a straight shot right there. Have to get some use out of that one, but that's cool right there. The bits have been awesome on this side. The drill bits, once again, with the holder right here, it locks them in with these little detents right here. So they don't go anywhere, but what's cool about that, you don't have to pry them out. They just come right out. Super easy. You don't have to deal with the any tension on it, and then you swing it down and it locks them right down. And also you can index it anywhere you like. You just pop it out and you can index it to any location, especially if you build your Montana brand bits up. You can add other stuff to it, which is cool. I like that. Very easy, just snap them into place, and then the little thing swings out. Slip it right in, just falls right in and locks it right in, and you don't have any issues of going on top of that little lever. It just pops right out again, and then that's it. Super easy. Nothing comes out. I like that about it. The bits have been good so far. Used a couple of these small ones. It just feels like I'd say don't get them hot. Yeah, it's just one of those types of bits. Just don't get them hot and they won't snap on you. So far, that's been good. I don't know why there's a 5/16 on here, unless if you got still a lot of old corded stuff. If you want to convert your old corded to a 1/4-inch bit there, I guess that's what that's for. Very unique setup they have. You have a little holder here. This one's a little difficult to get out versus this one. This one, you can add another little row right there, which is cool. I like that. You just put another row right there, and then boom, you got a full setup there, which is very cool right there. Yeah, a little rubberized holder there. Not bad. Very unique. I like this so far. Just checking it out here. We have the 6 times longer life, precision 135-degree split point. These are good for wood, metal, and PCV. But yeah, just don't recommend going too extreme on these. It's just a little budget set. Very budget friendly on these. The first time I've ever seen Montana brand tool company was at Costco with like a huge like 52-piece set for a great deal. And it was even on sale too. So definitely worth checking them out. Very budget friendly. I think they said they're at Ace Hardware too. So a couple little hardware stores you can find these as well. More of a consumer grade, but very nice so far. This case has been cool. Just locks up right there. And we have a couple bits that I've used so far. I use the, see, very easy, just flip it up. You can access the bits. Square drive, I haven't had much luck with any square drive lately. I'm still on a venture of finding the perfect square drive because these, Robertson square drives have been a headache lately, but I will get down to the bottom of that. But these are USA bits, super nice. Actually, the T25 has been really nice. No wear on that one yet, and yeah, the grip is super nice on the T25. Got plenty of use out of this one, so definitely cool to see USA made bits. And yeah, very nice set right here. We have the little magnet sleeve one here. It's just a slim one. This is super slim for being a sleeve right there. You can get into tight spaces. And you have a 5/16 and a 1/4 inch on this one. Already did a little video on this one, but just a little recap on this one. Very nice, loving it so far. Nice, unique little setups here. I like how they have a unique setup versus all the other ones that you get 20 bits of something you don't use. So definitely worth it to check these guys out, the Montana brand. All right, here we have a nice little bit set from the Montana brand. This is the MB64864 21-piece set. It's got S2 steel, and this guy tells you there's a limited lifetime warranty. It's pretty cool. Made in the USA. And yeah, let's get into this thing. Cool little box set here. Non-rubberized on the corner, but it's a quite small little set here. What's cool about this is there's a little latch right here, and it lets it go like that. If the latch falls down, it'll pop it back up again and lock everything in, and it doesn't fall out. That's pretty cool. And it's like you don't have to stick like a freaking bit in there to pop these things out just to get one out. It locks it in right down in here. So once they're out here, it's free to go, and it's super easy to put inside. I like that. That's pretty cool. And you get to the second row right here, same thing. Just latch it, unlatch it. It was unlatched, but same deal here. It holds everything in, locks it in, and if you go down on it, you can see that it just pops back up. You don't end up breaking it. That's cool right there. And you can get another second row of these. This has some Robertsons right there, T20, T25, 2 Phillips. That's pretty cool. These nice little holders there. And yeah, you can always upgrade for the second row. Pretty cool. I wanted to get into this one because it has the Robertsons back here. I have an issue with the Robertsons on the Craig pocket hole jigs. Yeah, these right here has special screws for the pocket holes, and looks like it fits quite nicely. The ones that come with the Craig are camming out. So as we can see right here, they're camming out, and it's kind of like a learning curve too. You really have to get onto those pocket hole jig screws, or else if you get too much on the edge, they start camming out. So I'm gonna see how these do. So I do feel like they fit quite better. So S2 steel, all made in USA on all these bits. And I've got a good selection here. The T20 and T25, and the, yeah, extra, plenty of T25. I use a lot of T25 as well. Robertson 1, Robertson 2, long Phillips. Let's see here. Fit that bad on your impact, and yeah, not bad fit on the number 2. There's a little fit on there, as you can see. That's pretty nice right there. I like that. And yeah, cool little bit set here. First time I've seen Montana brand is at Costco, and they're fairly inexpensive. There was like a 50-piece set for like 30 bucks on sale at Costco. Hopefully to see them back at Costco again. That's a pretty good value for something made in USA. The magnetic bit holder here is very slim. Usually you see these really fat, and you can't get into tight spaces with that. That's nice and thin there too. I like that magnetized bit holder there. And we have a 5/16 and a 1/4 inch magnetic for the metal screws. Comes with one flathead. That's nice because some sets have a ton of flatheads that you never need. So at least there's one little flathead there, and a long T25. I use a lot of T25. This is a well thought out set. It's well thought out. I like that. I like the bit holders in here. And the case is not too bad. Looks like the clear part right here might scuff up over time, might show it's banging up, but other than that, the design of the inside is well thought out. You can see what's in there, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Got some more stuff from Montana brand that they sent out, and I'll get to that in a bit later on, but I just want to get onto these because I'm doing a lot of cabinet work, and we'll see how these do. So thank you, Montana brand. Check it out.